In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to run HTML code in VS Code. So first, of course, open up Visual Studio Code and start creating a new file. Then make sure you save it as index.html. Now inside, start adding a simple structure like HTML, head, and body, then write your content. Once done, you can search up your saved file on your start menu, like this. For example, we're just going to type in HTML with the right file name that we saved this code into. And all you have to do is open up this file by clicking it up. Your HTML might open up to your default browser. Now, if you make any changes on your code, make sure that you save it first, then simply refresh your web browser. In that way, you'll be able to see the changes live in this HTML page. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!